Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to the second part of this video. So now I am going to showcase the test case which we tried in both backend and frontend. Uh, as backend API, we have to try with some different test cases and how it will pass, and with the both happy flow and negative flow as well. Yeah. So now I went to this one. These are all my code and everything, right? So this is the backend and this is the frontend. First, I will go through that application front end. Okay, so this is a page I am going to run here. So if you run npm test, it will run the front end application with all the test scripts. Yeah, so once you run this command, and it will start the testing framework from the react front end. And yeah, so it will go to the property listing manual page, and with the front end it will looking for the front end page. And yeah, so now you can see. So we have test fields, right? One failed case and one passed, and the other test will be one failed test as well as three passed. So what are the things like? I will show you what are the things I have tried here. So the happy path will be like filters results when searching and so case matchings here. So whenever you are giving some um, in the application, I will show you, right? Yeah, so here we have a search icon. So if you give any negative feedback or any negative keyword or anything without this one, we are trying to showcase, for example, I'm trying to search a family keyword through the this property, then that case will be covered uh, in this test case. Okay, this is a positive one. But when it comes to edge case, when I'm trying to reset the query and all, so if you have, I don't have any properties right now. If you're trying to search with a negative scenario, it will get failed. And yeah, so because the edge case will be like it's not needed when you are trying to enter any data and all, you have to clear that one. So this is a negative case and the positive case with respect to the front end. Now back to the back end, I will show you the test case here. So this is the backend. So if you want to run the backend thing, then we have to run the command py test. So the Python, we will execute the test cases, and we will check whether we have a happy flow as well as negative flows. So now I have one failed test case and a three passed case. Like three passed case in the sense, the same thing I'm getting. I will show the scenario like. So what are the on event page, and whenever we're going to pass a different payload as well, we have to check the payload whether it is property is properly assigned to the API and all. That is what they have to. So this is the past case as well the failed case. I wish we go through the document in like what are the codes and all we have used. So this is a backend, right? So here we have a test cases will be mentioned under test folder. So we have a test underscore API. Here we have so many functions like we have to get the summarize, and we have test cases for the searching and all. So we have seen that for searching we will use this definition. From here it will take you to the listing API, and whether it's fast, then we will return with the content over there. So matching cases. If it is a summarize also we have can use, but I have listed out only that listing as well as the negative cases only. Yeah, so these are the folders which will have the test cases. But when it comes to front end, we have another thing like here we have a source. So we have underscore underscore test. So we have a home page search. This is what, yeah. So whenever we have a search case with the matching keywords, then it will list out the positive flow. Also we have a validation test like whether we have acceptance. I so told you, right, payload will be uh, the valid one or anything. So like we need at least the payload will be should be matched like for title and price and location and description tab. If you pass any negative payload, then it will throw a negative disk case. So this is my application, and this is one. And also I have added a couple of things in my read on how I can save the API, I mean AI tool and all. I have mentioned my separate document. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Thank you so much.